Bay window installation in Auburn Hills, MI, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of Bay Windows Auburn Hills styles, residents can choose from these installations to add charm and increase the value of their property. Bay window contractors in Auburn Hills are skilled in providing top-notch services, ensuring that your Bay Windows Auburn Hills projects are completed to the highest standards. Custom Bay Windows Auburn Hills offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home. These windows can be tailored to fit any design preference, providing a perfect blend of style and practicality. Bay Windows Auburn Hills design experts can help you select the best options to complement your home's architecture, ensuring a seamless integration with your existing decor. Energy-efficient Bay Windows Auburn Hills are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to minimize heat loss, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Bay Windows Auburn Hills specialists can guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the most efficient options for your needs. Bay Windows Auburn Hills replacement services are a solution that many homeowners require at some point. Whether due to damage or simply a desire for an upgrade, Bay Windows Auburn Hills replacement can significantly improve your home's appearance and functionality. Bay window experts in Auburn Hills are equipped to handle all aspects of the replacement process, from consultation to installation. Affordable Bay Windows Auburn Hills are available for those on a budget. With a range of Bay Windows Auburn Hills options, you can find the perfect solution without breaking the bank. Bay window quotes for Bay Windows Auburn Hills can provide you with a clear understanding of the costs involved, allowing you to make an informed decision. Bay Windows Auburn Hills installation is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Over time, wear and tear can lead to issues that require professional attention. Bay window maintenance for Bay Windows Auburn Hills ensures that your windows remain in top condition, prolonging their lifespan and enhancing their performance. Enhancements for Bay Windows Auburn Hills can transform your existing windows into stunning focal points. From adding decorative elements to improving functionality, Bay Windows Auburn Hills enhancements offer a range of possibilities. Bay Windows Auburn Hills improvements can be tailored to meet your specific needs, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Bay window installation in Auburn Hills, MI, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of Bay Windows Auburn Hills styles available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that complement their home's architecture. Bay window contractors in Auburn Hills offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process, providing homeowners with peace of mind and a beautiful new addition to their living space. Custom Bay Windows Auburn Hills are tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of each homeowner. These windows are designed to fit perfectly into the existing structure, offering a unique and personalized touch to any room. Bay window specialists in Auburn Hills work closely with clients to create custom designs for Bay Windows Auburn Hills that reflect their style and enhance the overall look of their home. Energy-efficient Bay Windows Auburn Hills are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce their energy bills and increase their home's comfort. These windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies that help to insulate the home, keeping it warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Bay Windows Auburn Hills experts can provide guidance on the best energy-efficient options available, ensuring that homeowners make an informed decision. Bay Windows Auburn Hills replacement services are sought by many homeowners when their existing windows become outdated or damaged. Replacing old windows with new, high-quality Bay Windows Auburn Hills can significantly improve a home's appearance and value. Bay Window Contractors in Auburn Hills offer professional replacement services, ensuring that the new windows are installed correctly and efficiently. Bay Windows Auburn Hills installation is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of these beautiful architectural features. Over time, Bay Windows Auburn Hills may experience wear and tear, requiring professional installation services to restore them to their original condition. Bay window installation experts in Auburn Hills are skilled in addressing a variety of issues, from broken glass to damaged frames, ensuring that the windows remain in top condition. Bay Windows Auburn Hills design offers homeowners the opportunity to create a stunning focal point in their home. With a wide range of design options available, including various shapes, sizes, and materials, homeowners can customize their Bay Windows Auburn Hills to suit their personal style. Bay window design experts in Auburn Hills work with clients to develop unique and innovative solutions that enhance the beauty and functionality of their home.